Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is my haul video for the rest of the month. um, I was very sick this morning. I went out on the balcony to throw away my recyclables and a big bag of garbage and came back in here. It was raining, Fluffy went out. And I came back in. I started wheezing and then gasping for air, and I couldn't stop. I was gasping for air for a solid hour and hyperventilating. It was very bad. I was getting very scared. I'm better now, but it took double the inhalers to open my lung up so I could breathe. So I'm not happy about that. All right. I have no more money for the rest of the month, but I'm going to the doctor on the 10th. I missed my appointment because I thought it was tomorrow, and it's the 10th. So it was Tuesday, so I rescheduled. And I'm going to go finally to Best Buy and pick up my item. And that's it. So I will be staying in the house except the cat feed, and it's going to rain here tomorrow, Friday, all day and all night. Really hard to cat feed when it's pouring rain. Okay, here's what we got. Unfortunately, Safeway no longer sells my beloved lemon lift. The only place I can find it is Food Max. So I got Constant Comment black tea. I'm almost out of tea. I got a bag of Don Francisco's coffee, so I hope I have enough coffee to last me till the end of the month. If someone wants to send me a bag of coffee, it would be appreciated. George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. I paid down my credit cards, which is why I'm broke. I paid Capital One, I paid Credit One, I paid my Amazon store card, and I paid $39 and change to my electric bill. So the only thing I have to pay now is my internet, and next couple of days I'll be doing that. Okay. 4 boxes of Nature Valley fruit and nut trail mix, almonds, raisins, peanuts, and cranberries. So those were 4 for something. And that big bag I threw out was not only one garbage bag, but one thing of paper stuff. So I cleaned up a little in here. Okay, 2 bottles of Martinez cider. 3 cans of Denison's Chunky Chili. A bag of grapes. Oh yeah, I have to go get 2 roasting pans of margarita. When I got the 1 roasting pan from the 99-cent store, it was so flimsy it almost collapsed on me. So I have to go get 2 when I go to Best Buy. Turkey gravy. That's that. And all the coughing I was doing this morning and wheezing, my chest really hurts. So if I stop, that's why. I've been coughing for months. Okay, this bag is, my water overturned in the bag, so the bag is all wet. Okay, turkey kielbasa, I got 3 of those. Put them, here goes my mouse. A bag of broccoli, carrots, green beans, yellow carrots, and wax beans. I'm going to put that with the turkey. 3 boxes of very wet boxes. Oh my God, this water is going everywhere. All over me, too. My cup of water overturned and ate the boxes. Stover's spaghetti and meatballs. Put those away. I had to drink the water because I was having, when I walked to the bus, I was breathing. And 2 dockside crab cakes. I'll have those tomorrow. And finally, another 2 more kielbasa and the spaghetti, and I better pick up this bag. God, everything's soaked. So let me put this away. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe out there, and hope you stay dry and warm. And I might be online on some venue soon, but that's being worked out. So we will see. That just came up today, but I don't know yet. So something for the holidays. All right, that's it for this one, and I'm pretty much done for the evening, so I'll catch you next time. Have fun. Bye-bye.